Hey, Scott from MyGrowthRings.com. Here is the home of my future shop, but hey, none of that matters because you're probably here to find out whether you want a Shopsmith. That's right. In this video, we are going to do the drawing to give away John Malecki's Shopsmith Mark V. And in fact, you're not just winning his Mark V. We'll go into some details in just a minute. But I also have a couple other drawings to do because what fun is it giving just one thing away to one person? So let's run down what the grand prize winner is going to get. They're going to get a Model 510 version of the Shopsmith, very similar to the one behind me here, but John's is just a little bit newer than mine. With that, you will get a bandsaw and a jointer. And John's got these all crated up, ready to go, and he's waiting to hear back from me with the name and address of the winner. So that's going to be coming to you real soon. But in addition to that, that machine was missing a couple pieces. So I reached out to Shopsmith to let them know that I would need a few pieces to make that machine complete. I was planning on purchasing those items, and Shopsmith has donated them. So the winner is also going to receive a Shopsmith push stick. They will have in the set that John is sending the fence straddler, the featherboard, and a push blocker too. Another thing that was missing from John's machine was the lathe tailstock. So Shopsmith has provided you with a brand new tailstock. Additionally, Shopsmith has sent along a brand new set of casters. John's machine has casters on it, but those casters are damaged. And even though I think maybe all the pieces and parts are there, we're not taking a chance. So you're going to receive this brand new set from Shopsmith sent to me. I will forward them on to the winner. In addition, to get the winner off to a good start, they are going to receive one of the t-shirts I had made for John. Also, somebody saw the subliminal message. The winner is also going to receive a can of Johnson's paste wax. This is the perfect paste wax for waxing your machine down, and Johnson's discontinued this. So you're getting a very rare thing indeed. And so that'll come to the winner. Additionally, I mentioned that I'll be launching an online course and that the winner will be one of the beta students in that first course. More details about that to come real soon. Anything else I'm missing out on? No, that's it. But before we give those away, to two other people, the first two names we're going to draw, we're going to give one person a t-shirt and another person their own can of Johnson's paste wax. And just to prove, yeah, I got a couple of them here. So let's do that first. And let me show you, it's a little bit clunky, this process. So let's get to it. I'm going to share my screen with you and show you, I'm using kind of a random generator. Normally, I will use this site in order to pick a random comment from the comments, but what I have right now is I've got saved on my clipboard all the names of the folks who've entered. So I've just pasted 759 names. If I come back up here, it's actually 754. We need to get rid of, the very top one, which is the word name. And at the bottom, there's a couple blanks for some reason. We'll leave those there, and if we get a blank winner, will obviously roll again. So there's all the names. And I think if we go down here, oh my gosh. Yeah, that's, let me zoom in. There is no chance you will be able to see the names, but all the names are listed here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the wheel. It's going to begin to spin, and then the winner will be chosen and their name will wind up somewhere down here. All right, we'll see it when it's done, but let's first spin the wheel for the first can of wax, or for the can of wax. Ready? And here we go. This will be just a few seconds, and can't read a name to save our lives, but if we scroll down here, Dan Thomas is the winner of his very own can of paste wax. I do have the option of not allowing Dan to win again, but I'm going to leave Dan in the running to win the next two prizes as well. So we'll click on the wheel, let it spin again. And this is for a t-shirt. Darcy Wells has won a t-shirt. And again, you can see down here, previous winner is Tom's. Is it Tom's? Sorry if I misread your name, Dan. And this one is for the whole enchilada. Again, Shopsmith Model 510, Shopsmith bandsaw, Shopsmith joiner, brand new casters, brand new tailstock, brand new push stick, a can of Johnson's Paste Wax, and a t-shirt for me. If you are any of these winners, I need you. Actually, I'll email you. I'll email you with some more details. If your name doesn't come up here, we're going to give 5 days for the winners to contact me to respond to the email. If they don't respond to me, we'll roll again for another winner. So hey, there's a chance. But let's spin this one more time. This one is for the big prize, and congratulations, drum roll please, to somebody named John. This better not be John Malecki. So each one of these names has associated with it an email address. I will send an email to John. Congratulations, John. And the countdown begins. 5 days. And if we don't have a notification from those folks identifying themselves, then we'll try this all over again. Thanks again to John Malecki for giving away his Shopsmith. Thank you for everyone who showed an interest in this. Thank you for the hundreds of people who have become subscribers to the channel. It's great to have you. And hopefully you didn't come around just to win a prize. There's a lot more exciting things to come. And with that, make it a great day.